Guys, I hope you enjoy the content. I just want to let you guys know that I'm not here to help anybody make money trading, or save you money trading or anything like that. I'm just here giving you guys my take on the markets. Understand, not a registered investment advisor, and nothing we say or do here should be misconstrued as investment advice. Please seek a professional for that type of stuff and read the disclaimers both on our website and on this video.
Yeah.
Order filled, check us out.
You know what time it is.
This is the Mighty Soldiers exclusive.
Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it.
What's up, guys? Andy with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We are back with another episode of the CEO of Trading Other People's Money. Michael Katz is here with us again, and we're going to talk about, well, guys, we'll get into that in a second. But first of all, how you doing, Michael?
Hey, Andy, how's it going? I'm great.
It's great over here. Loving the action in the market, and I mean, getting a little bit of relief today, but loving it. And I've been checking out a lot of your podcasts, and one of the things that I think is pretty cool is that you're actually reviewing some of the trades that you have with people that are trading with you, and very honest. I mean, really getting into the things that traders may not, may be uncomfortable to open up about some of that. And your guests have been incredibly brave, I believe some of them even brought you onto their channels, but incredibly brave sharing their experience there.
Yeah, I mean, we got to do that in order to improve ourselves, right? I mean, you see LeBron James, you go back, check the stats, and only that way you can improve. So we're doing the same thing with our traders. I did it for many years, so obviously it helped me. So it makes sense to do it with the others.
You know, it amazes me how many. Well, I guess all of us, we all start coming in here with this idea that we're just going to get rich quick or something, or this is something where we're going to be very successful in a short amount of time. A couple of years seems too long. 5 years seems ridiculous.
Yeah.
But yet, like you said, these experts, Michael Jordan, whatever, they've been training their entire life for what they're doing to get to the level they're at. And the same thing here. I mean, this is not going to be easy. There's a lot of competition in the market, a lot of smart people, a lot smarter than I am, and then machines that can do it for them. So,
Yeah.
But first today, I just wanted to bring up you guys the dreaded PDT rule, the pattern day trading rule. If you're not familiar, it's basically the fourth round trip in a 5-day rolling period, and you violated the PDT rule, and you have to have $25,000 in your account in order to do that. And usually what I tell people is if you're looking for a way to trade more and you have less than 25K, you might want to consider looking into a cash account. A cash account is something that has something entirely different with settlement. But we're going to talk about something it's entirely different today. Trading other people's money. We might actually have another way around this. So can you tell us how that can work?
Yeah, so basically, Andy, instead of spending a lot of time and putting, your 25K or whatever in your broker account, you can actually today start trading with a prop firm. Obviously, we are a prop firm that funds stock traders, and we back you up with up to $260,000 of buying power. So once you sign in and go through a process of evaluation, if you pass it, you get funded, you can trade, with $97 of investment, you can actually trade with $20,000 of buying power. And since we are a pool, then you basically take a chunk of that and trade with it. So we pass in that PDT rule, and you really don't need a broker also these days,
That brings to mind, okay, you got to pass the challenge. We've talked about that last time we spoke. But as far as trading with you guys and trading the pool, what exactly does that mean where you said trade a pool?
Right. So the name of the company, Trade the Pool, and we took that because you trade in one big pool. So when you start trading with us, you actually start with a zero balance. And you can also go negative, something that you cannot do on your broker account, right? So you start with zero balance, but you get in your buying power from that pool. So we have a big amount of money in that pool, and every one of the traders will take a chunk of that.
Okay, so I had no idea about how this worked. So that's basically the buying power, and it's shared among the firm.
Exactly, yeah. But since we have big capital there, we have enough capital for everybody, enough buying power to everybody.
And one of the things I wanted to ask you about is you know, I've talked to people and they're concerned about passing the challenge.
Mm,
They're not they hear that that you know I can take $100 or let's say $475, whatever it is,
yeah.
you know, less than 500, whatever, and I can have this opportunity to trade. I can not have to worry about the PDT rule and all that, you know. But what about these people that are just you know hesitant to even try? Do you have a simulator for example that can help to prepare them?
Yeah, so first of all, we have 14 days free trial. Anyone can sign up and just try us, give it a shot, try the rules, check out the trading platform, everything you want to go through it. And basically, once you did that, you can join with as little as $97. So you're not really risking a lot in most cases. And it will give you the idea of exactly what we do. You can go through our website and see other funded traders and hear their stories, how they got funded, their advice on how to become a funded trader, and all of those. Yeah.
And you guys, I just want to let you guys know, I've been doing exactly that. I've been watching a lot of videos, and there's so much content about how other people have went through this process already out there. I will be putting out there my own experiences, and you know, but there's really good content out there already that can help to understand this a little more and gain confidence. I still think it's kind of cool and amazing though that with such a small amount of capital risk, you know, for an individual, that they can even have an opportunity to do something like this. And you said that sometimes it's not the traders that you would think are the, you know, all-stars already, but it's the newer traders that come out, you know, doing really well.
That's insane. Yeah, that's insane. I can see a trader that, only been in the market for 6 months, and he passed the evaluation within 2 weeks or so. And he actually knows what he's doing, And for me as a trader, I've been trading for 15, 16 years. It's a no-brainer. If I had this chance to go to a prop firm right from the get-go and pay like $97 to get $20,000 buying power, that's easy decision to make.
And yeah, so we'd already. First, Michael, I just wanted to give you a chance. You said that you have some new updates with Trade the Pool.
Yeah, so basically we just launched our swing trading program. So basically now you can hold your positions overnight and over the weekend, something that we didn't have when we first talked. We only had it for day traders. So now any swing trader can join in as well. And soon to be, this is exclusive basically, soon we will allow also pre and aftermarket trading, something that we didn't have, still don't have until next week.
That's great news. That's actually the first thing that I had heard. I think I heard it, and then a week later, I think you'd announced that you were gonna put that in there. So I don't know if you got that feedback and you guys just worked that fast, or you know.
Yeah, I mean, first we do work fast. We like the old guys here, especially in the dev team, they like to work fast, but we always listen to the traders. We have the Discord and we have other channels. We always listen to the street. So if the guys want to get more buying power or pre-market swing trading, whatever it is, we always aiming to improve ourselves, like we expect our traders to push themselves as well.
That's one of the things I have to say, that in the community, there's been several companies that have really impressed me. But that's one thing that each of them have in common, is that they're listening to their customers and they're working hard and they're working fast. And so it's great to see you guys doing that. Could you touch really quick on some of the rules of the challenge?
Yeah, so it's pretty simple. You have a target that you need to reach, depending on the tier that you chose. So we have 4 tiers. Let's say the $97 that you join, you need to do 1,800 in profit in order to reach the target and become a funded trader. And your maximum drawdown will be 900. So basically, you need to do 2 times your maximum drawdown in order to become funded. The rest of the stuff are basically 30 trades that you need to make. Pretty easy rules. We don't have a lot of rules. We just want to see consistency and not a one lucky trade type of trader. We're looking for guys that will show us that can actually manage the funds that we'll give them.
Yeah, I another thing that I wanted to touch on what I said earlier about people out there with the videos to help them understand this and to prepare.
Yeah.
The thing is the AI, the Chat GPT, that's been incredibly useful as well. I asked 3 questions today, and one of them was, how to better prepare myself or to avoid what to avoid, in going through the basically going through the challenge is what I'm calling it. So what do you guys call it again? Just want to make sure I'm saying it right.
Yeah, so evaluation phase. Yeah.
Evaluation. Yeah, but anyways, it was just basically that you had to take it seriously, and it went through all these principles of trading that any trader should already be, aware of. So it's very helpful though to go check out the AI. Michael, today we have another Michael with us. We have a guest question. His name is Michael Holcomb, the blind trader. He is definitely no stranger to this community. And if you don't mind, I'm bring him on here and let him ask you anything that he's interested in asking you about trade the pool and trading with other people's money.
Sounds good.
All right. So Michael Holcomb, what's up, man?
How's it going, buddy? Thank y'all for having me on. Is my internet working good for you?
Oh, everything looks great, and you sound great, Mike.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought I was having an issue with YouTube. I wanted to make sure there wasn't something wrong. No, I appreciate you bringing me on. I've been curious about this. Andy mentioned it to me a while back, or a little while ago about it. But now I did not know about the whole you can do swing trading now, because that's kind of what I've gotten into a lot anymore, is more of a swing trade, day trade mentality, both mixture. And I guess my first question is, I'm a little slow at not understanding, but learning platforms, because I can't see very well, so it takes me a while to get the hang of things. How long do you have to how would that work about somebody wanting to check out the platform before, and learn it, and then do the $97 to trade? Yeah.
Right. So we basically have 14 days free trial. So once you sign up to our hub, you get those 14 days. You download the platform. We obviously have many videos that explain, like tutorials that will take you from A to Z on how to control the platform, where is your buy and stop and everything. So it's pretty easy, very intuitive. The platform is very user friendly, to say.
Okay. And I'm assuming there's people that I could talk to along the way if I have questions while I'm in there, for sure. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's awesome. Heck yeah. I guess another question would be, when would be a good time to do this? Like, you think, are we in a market, right? You know what I'm saying? Because the market should we wait till we're like we just came from earnings season there? When do you want to come into this to kind of, because like you said, you need to be able to double, right, what you get?
Yeah. So for the evaluation phase, you have 45 days to pass it. At least you have 45 days to pass it. And most of our traders, obviously, just because we just launched the swing trading, so most of our traders already mostly day trading, right? So we love the earnings season, obviously. A lot of volatility, volume. This is exactly what we're looking for. And like they always say, it's no better time than the present.
That's true. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, no better. Yeah. I mean, I'm trading in it today. I've traded in it every day. My account isn't as big as most people's, though. That's kind of my thing. My account is smaller than most. I sold my pickup truck when I had to give up my driving, and that's what I started this account with. And I've been over to flip it a few times here now, and it's took me. I've lost a lot of money along the way, but I've learned, and now I'm just more of a patient trader. That's why I thought whenever he said that you was going to do the swings now, it's like, oh man, that's nice, because sometimes my day trades got to be canceled out because I just went on the wrong day. So I have to come back to that one and maybe buy a little piece of it and let it build sometimes, before
So a lot of our traders, what they do is basically scaling into the position and you can see them taking a position today or like half size, and then the next day we'll add more and build the position, but intraday or the day after.
Yeah.
But yeah, the market is crazy in a good way.
Yeah. That's what I love about it, though. It's every trader's own way of trading, but at the same time, there's the rules. You know, there's you have to be But no, I think it's an awesome idea, and I am definitely going to try this out. I guess that was my main thing. I just wanted to make sure that, well, I guess if I felt it, say I felt it and I felt like it was because I just didn't understand everything there correctly. Is there a second chance you get, or is it just one and done?
Basically, you can join any time or as many times as you want.
Okay.
There's no limitation on that. But to tell you the truth, a lot of our traders, the funded traders, did the evaluation at least 3 times before they passed it. Yeah, because like anything in life, you got to try it a few times until you make it. So nonsense.
Yeah, and you already said there's tutorial videos, things like that to help go over it. Yep, that was the other questions I had. Did it have some kind of training videos and stuff? But no, that's awesome. Yeah, I've already got your link and everything. I was looking at it the other day or a few weeks ago, but when we talked about it, that we couldn't hold a trade overnight. Now I don't hold trades for long periods of time, but sometimes I may need to hold something overnight.
Yeah,
because I may have built that position all day and it just didn't perform yet. So I may next morning take a big quick loss on it, or if it's doing what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you have to. It's if you don't, scared money don't make money, right? You have to do the research to make sure you're not just buying anything. But you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
No, sometimes it takes a little bit time until the stocks start to perform. So
yes, exactly. Yeah. So I may be in and out of it a few times before I get it right. Sometimes that's why I was. But heck yeah, no, I appreciate you answering my questions there for me.
Yeah.
I'm ready to try this thing out. I'm thinking, man, I think I could do it. I know my account's smaller, but I do believe that I've learned I'm pretty good with what I've got. I don't like being arrogant about it, but I mean, I guess whenever you become dedicated as we've became over the years, you have to be a strong believer in what you do. And I'm pretty. Yeah, I like the way I trade. Yeah.
If you're not aware, Mike has been in every single live stream that's been available for free online everywhere across the trading community. I mean, TrendSpider has something, Benzinga has something. Anybody that has something, he is there supporting them. Anyways, Mike's been putting in the time. He's really working.
I appreciate y'all. I actually had 3 or 4 people in my chat over on Twitch before I came over here. And I was telling them about this. They were asking me a bunch of questions. I'm like, just come watch it. Yeah. You'll get all my questions I'm going to ask. And I'm sure he's going to answer more than I can even think of without asking them. Yeah.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
And real quick, guys, the thing earlier with the AI, the number one reason they were saying is lack of preparation. That's the number one reason people are failing these evaluations, just not taking it seriously.
Yeah. And we do have, for preparation, we do have a lot of materials inside our hub, from basically trading preparation, not just for the evaluation, but also for the evaluation. So pre-market prep course and how to build your playbook and improve yourself as a trader. Lots of materials that we gather throughout the years, and we share it with the guys.
Well, that's awesome. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Never have enough. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm like you, Mike. I'm looking forward to it. And Michael, I really appreciate you coming on and answering all my questions and answering Mike's questions here. That's awesome. And look forward to seeing you next time.
Yeah. Take care, guys.
Thanks, buddy. Yeah, appreciate it.
Take care. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.
Yep.
Yeah.
Order filled. Check us out.
You know what time it is.
This is Mighty Soldiers exclusive.
Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it.
If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like,
If you with the squad, then you already know what's up. It be going down, but my account is going up. I'm about to make another 100,000 bucks. Rolling up that chain, I'm about to take another puff.
Hold up, I made a killing, now my pockets got swollen. Independent, now I'm taking over. I'm a lot richer, you a lot broker. I'm a pot smoker, stockbroker, blowing up like a supernova. On my mama, I was born a soldier, the best in the game, man. I thought I told you. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like, I am unstoppable, I can do anything I ever wanted to. Never did anything they ever wanted me to. Got on my side and I'm not gonna lose and they're not gonna win. I see them, the haters, it's all cause I'm getting dollars again. Commas on commas on commas, I'm buying the dip. The market is dropping again. I can see him hating from the sideline. If you see a hater, tell him bye-bye. Watch my money grow, 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 grow. And my wifey like, whoa, 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 whoa. Somebody better stop me cause there ain't no competition and I'm coming for the top position. Obliterating the opposition every time that I jot it in the composition. Everybody wanna stop and listen cause I bring it to you hotter than the oven in your mama kitchen. I'll be getting hit like a politician. I'ma get bread when you stack looking taller than Scottie Pippen. Ain't nobody ready for the Armageddon when I pop the clip and I ain't playing. I'm spraying you brain, I'm bringing the pain like Damon Wayne. You disappear like David Blaine. I'm dropping bombs, Saddam Hussein. Stop and aim, pop you lames and pop champagne. I ain't playing so stop the games, you know the name. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like,